What I eat in a day on a road trip to a tropical fruit meetup as a 42-year-old, 16-year fruit-based vegan. Before I spend hours in the car, I always like to do some exercise first. I just went for a jog and Snopey picked these beautiful Grummy Chummer. Let's see what they taste like.
It's really good.
And we're taking cooked sweet potato, 8 litres of homemade carrot juice. I wanted to show you my outfit of the day. I've got a homemade top that I made myself. Got some pants from the op shop, which I've been wearing for years. They were $2. And $2 shoes. Having 1 litre of orange juice.
Home squeeze.
Alright, I already have 1 banana and I'm about to have another 5.
6 bananas.
Yes, that's 6 bananas in total. So we're about to have a little pit stop. So we grew all this, papayas, bananas, not the asparagus.
That's groovy.
Now I'm going to have some carrot juice that I squeezed prior. So this is our dinner. We had a Thai dinner. We didn't actually buy the rice. It was given to us free. We were planning on just having the sweet potato for the bulk of our carbohydrates. I always ask for less salt and less oil. Check out my weight loss ebooks at thebananagirl.com.